पावर बिकॉज हम हॉस्पिटल में नहीं, हम बता दे रहे पहले, हम गुस्सा आ जाएगा। हाँ, हम एसएमबी इंग्लिश में है। यहाँ का मतलब होता है एनर्जी, यहाँ का मतलब होता है नो एनी हार्डशिप, नो एंजाइटी, नथिंग। आई एम एनर्जेटिक, बोलिए लाउड करके, आई एम एनर्जेटिक, आई एम एनर्जेटिक। एवरी एक्शन इज द एंसेस्टर्स ऑफ थॉट्स, राइट? But if your thoughts are not converted into the action, that thoughts constipate into your mind and that becomes the reason of your depression. जो दिमाग में एक्शन आया उसको काम करके माइनस करने का, अदरवाइज दिस हैज नॉट अनलिमिटेड जीबी डेटा। जिम्मेदारी, you're taking the responsibility.
Why not, sir?
देख लो बॉडी लैंग्वेज ज्यादा असर कर गया इस बंदा, राइट? ही अंडरस्टैंड्स दिस, ऑलराइट? सो एक शेर बोला था उसने, नहीं बोला था, मिस्टर विनय, राइट? रामधारी सिंह दिनकर जी का, राइट? ओके, गुड टू नो दैट। ऑलराइट, सो टुडे व्हाट आई सेड इन द स्टार्टिंग, क्या बात किया था हमने? डर लगता है, डर सबको लगता है, गला सबका सूखता है। ऐसा होता है तो आप स्टेज पर आइए। Now, and what I said, the fear of public speaking more dangerous than the fear of a lion, right? So right now you are doing public speaking. It means what? You are taking a bull by its horn. It means you're fighting a lion, right? अब ये डायलॉग बोल रहे थे ना, रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं, नाम है शहंशाह, right? You need to speak this way. और अगला क्या था भैया? What was that? विनय, चारों तरफ से आपको पुलिस ने घेर रखा है, अगर तुमने जरा भी चालाकी करने की कोशिश की तो आपको गोलियों से भून दिया जाएगा। This is also removing our hesitation, right? What do you want to say, my friend? यही है विनय, बच गया रहा उस दिन। या
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं, नाम है शहंशाह।
okay.
What is second one? Second one? Please repeat.
सेकेंड नंबर,
Yes, sir.
विनय, तुमको चारों तरफ से पुलिस ने घेर रखा है, तुमने जरा भी तलाशी के बारे में निकल जावे, जरा भी चालाकी करने की कोशिश की तो तुमको गोलियों से भून दिया जाएगा।
उन्हें तुम्हें चारों तरफ से पुलिस ने घेर लिया, अगर तुमने जरा से भी चालाकी करने की कोशिश की तो तुम्हें गोलियों से भुंजी भुंजी बना दिया जाएगा।
ओके, तो शेर बोलेगा ये ना, ही विल स्पीक अ शेर। वफा न किरदार बदल रहे हैं लोग, वफा न किरदार बदल रहे हैं लोग, थके थके से हैं फिर भी चल रहे हैं लोग, थके थके से हैं फिर भी चल रहे हैं लोग, न जाने कौन से सांचे में ढल रहे हैं लोग, न जाने कौन से सांचे में ढल रहे हैं लोग। ये कैसे लोग हो गए?
This sentence is so long. I love
you do अपना वाला, right? अपना वाला, right? Yeah, अपना वाला, right?
I say what?
Yeah, whatever, गाली नहीं बस।
Okay.
ये कैसा मर्दों की तरह हंसती है बे? अभी या उड़ अभी हंसेगी, right? या गब्बर की तरह, या
डर मुझे भी लगा फासला देखकर, डर मुझे भी लगा फासला देखकर, पर मैं बढ़ता रहा रास्ता देखकर, वह खुद ब खुद मेरे नजदीक आ गई, मेरी मंजिल मेरा हौसला देखकर।
ओके, अपने लिए ताली बजाते। ओके, सो yesterday I was talking about self discovery, self discovery, Let's find out ourselves. Let's find out ourselves. खुद को ढूंढने की कोशिश करते हैं. Let's try to find out ourselves. You know, most of the time we find out ourselves outside. You belong to your inside. Right? बाहर सुनामी हो, बट अगर अंदर शांति हो, वो सुनामी आपके अंदर कोई हलचल पैदा नहीं कर सकती है. Right? So we are diverted. We are trying to find out ourselves outside. बाहर खुद को तलाश रहे. When you live with yourself 24 multiply 7 and you're not able to know yourself, tell me, will you be able to know anyone in this world? No. What do you want to say on this? Whatever.
So, find yourself in yourself. And believe in yourself. Believe in yourself.
Okay.
You are stronger than you think. And you can achieve that nobody can achieve in this world.
Nobody can achieve it.
You are who you.
Yeah. Okay.
You are born unique. And you are unique. Everybody is unique in this world. What you are doing, no one has power to do it.
No one can do it. That's
No
good.
one can do it. That everybody is unique here. And believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, that no power in the world, there is nothing in this world that can stop you to do anything.
Well, good.
Believe in yourself.
Good to see that. Yeah.
And imagine, if you got what you want every time, no challenges, no hard work, no struggle, no hard work required. Some of you are saying, that would be great. You would be big. Because when something hard comes in your life, you would not know how to handle it. Because you never go through that instance as you.
Yeah.
So, that person who is stopped fighting, means who has stopped struggling, has become the dead. So don't stop struggling. Keep fighting yourself. Keep challenging yourself. You cannot grow without a struggle. You cannot develop your strength without resistance. So challenging yourself.
Challenge yourself.
Believe yourself.
Yes. Will you challenge yourself from today?
Yes, sir, I will also challenge.
Will you challenge? Tell me. Yes. Very great. See the energy, and everybody is ready to challenge himself today. All right. But for this, my first sentence: know yourself.
Yeah.
How much power you have? What is your energy? What is the source of your motivation? Where can you live? What you can do? What can you do? That is to be known today. You don't have time. You don't have time. Am I right?
Yes.
Tell this thing. You don't have time.
You don't have time.
Today is the last day.
Today is the last day.
Yes, live as if you're going to die tomorrow, okay? Live as if you're going to die tomorrow. Act as if today is the last day of your life. You have no time left. You have no time. But for this, what is important? You must know yourself. You must know yourself. And how do you or I don't know where are we going? I don't know what are we trying. I don't know what is my destination. I don't know where to go. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to stay. I don't know what to think. I don't know what has to be done. I don't know that. I'm trying to win the world. How can you do that? Is that possible? Is that possible? It's not possible. We're living without reasons. I don't know what is my reason to survive on this earth. I am not focused. I let you know two creatures about the world. Okay, that is, you know, butterfly. Everybody knows butterfly, and you know honeybees as well. Butterflies, okay, fly on every flower without any destination, and the result is zero. And honeybees does same act, but it has a reason, and the result is so sweet like honey. Honey is the result. Right? Focus. Right? We don't know where are we going. Always this is, I speak this statement. हम ऐसे जिए जा रहे हैं जैसे कोई गुनाह किए जा रहे हैं. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not enjoying. This is the problem of this creature. Right? What do you want to say on this?
So, if you want to become anything, become an eagle.
Eagle nahi.
Eagle. Become an eagle.
Yeah.
Don't become a parrot. Because parrot speaks a lot,
Right.
but don't fly high.
Right.
But an eagle speaks very little,
Right.
fly very high. An eagle has the willpower to touch the sky. So, if the eagle so very far, 5-4 kilometers, if he targeted anything, he can achieve this. No distraction, no thing in this world can stop that eagle to achieve his target.
That's good.
Become an eagle man. You don't take fear from failures. You don't take fear of failures. The failure is the part of success. The failure is the first step of success.
Right.
If you didn't have failure, if you didn't have a struggle, if you didn't have disappointment, you cannot have courage, strength, compassion, because these qualities are made from your pain and struggle. So, don't take fear from failure. Failure is the part of success.
Yes.
And
Okay. Let's talk to the people. Public से बात करना पड़ेगा, right? ये public सिर्फ record करती है. We need action. So, let's talk to the public. Sir, please stand up. क्या कहना?
So I can say many things about him because his expression level is unbelievable, and the way he's saying his words and his lines are up to the mark.
Oh, good one. Very good. Can we have some noise, some energy, some motivation? All right. That's great to see the energy here. See the energy. We have that sting. We have that power inside us. But दिक्कत ये है, जैसे बारिश के टाइम में लकड़ी जो है आप जब जलाओगे ना तो वो नहीं जलती है, बाहरी कैटलिस्ट भी उसको जला नहीं पाती है. हम ऐसे हो चुके हैं. Right, I want to know from some other people. Can you please stand up? Please stand up. It is your day today. Yes, sir. Please tell me. आप तो आज बहुत ही दबंग लग रहे हो. क्या बात है भाई? हाँ? या पावर बिका जाएगा. हम हॉस्पिटल में नहीं हैं, बता दे रहे पहले. हम गुस्सा आ जाएगा. हाँ, हमें सिंपली इंग्लिश में है. यहाँ का मतलब होता है एनर्जी. यहाँ का मतलब होता है नो एनी हार्डशिप, नो एंजाइटी, नथिंग. I am energetic. बोलिए लाओ जो करके. I am energetic. I am energetic. I am powerful. I am powerful. I can do. I can do. I can bring these stars here. I can bring these stars here. और जोर से. I can bring the star here. Okay. मुंह तोड़ देंगे, बचा जाएगा. दिमाग ने खाया आपका जो बात है, बदल दे. तो बैठो. Next. Stand up. Okay, all right. What do you want to say? Please tell me. No, I am holding the mic. Yeah.
As you said, know yourself, being proud yourself, I wanna speak some quotes on it. There are two people in the world, you need to make them proud.
Yes.
It's not your mom, it's not your dad, not your wife, not your husband, not your girlfriend. It's 8 years old version of you and 80 years old version of you. If you feel them proud, if you the way you live your life, it means you did everything right.
वाह, आज तो साहेब एकदम एनर्जी लेके बैठा है. Everyone is sitting. वो हाथ ऐसे कर रहा था या फिर सेटिंग कर रहा है? Stand please. Yes.
As I said,
Yeah.
that today I am here to see the fiery speaker, and he's the one who has set the fire in the stage. And one thing that I want to share with you, that diamonds are showcased and golds are outside, and he's the diamond.
Okay, very good. ये कहना चाह रहा है मेरा बचपन वाला वर्जन है सलमान. He was also speaking that way, right? Anyone else who want to see today, who want to enjoy today? Did you see that? Okay, WWF कितनी एनर्जी से बात करता है. How does it talk? WWF का जो फाइटर होता है, जॉन सीना मान लीजिए कैसे बात करता है? I will kill you. I will kill you. ऐसे बात करता है. अगर वो बोले I will kill you, क्या होगा? सामने बोला उठा लेगा. देख रहे, शेर जब बीमार भी होता है ना, अगर वो दहाड़ता है ना, बहुत सारे जानवर मम्मी बचा लो भागता है. एटीट्यूड ऐसी होती है भाई. टेम्पररी नहीं होना चाहिए. हंस रही हो का मतलब हंस रही हो. स्टैंड अप मिस्टर नीतीश भैया.
So I just want to say that take decision before action, because we lost our time.
आज मतलब देखो, आज हम एनर्जी में ऐसे साइंटिस्ट take decision before action, you know. When you take decision before action, you can change the world. नहीं ऐसे बोलने का. Take decision before action. ऐसे बोलने का.
Take decision before action.
No, act without taking decision.
Yeah, act without any decision.
Right.
Without any decision.
कुछ भी आज डर हाथ आ रहा है. आज अंग्रेजी ना बोल रहे हैं. Today we are removing our fear. Right. Every action is the ancestor of thoughts. Every action is the ancestors of thoughts. Right. But if your thoughts are not converted into the action, that thoughts constipate into your mind, and that becomes the reason of your depression. जो दिमाग में एक्शन आया उसको काम करके माइनस करने का. अदरवाइज दिस हैज नॉट अनलिमिटेड जीबी डेटा. सिर्फ 2.5 मिलियन जीबी डेटा हमारे पास में है. हाउ मच? सिर्फ इतना ही है भाई. सिर्फ 2.5 मिलियन जीबी डेटा हमारे माइंड में. बस इतना है. बस इतना ही है भाई. प्लीज और थोड़ा बढ़वा दे. राइट, एक्सटेंडेबल लगवा देते. राइट, गुड टू नो दैट. थैंक यू पब्लिक. क्लैप फॉर योरसेल्फ. टुडे यू आर. थैंक यू वेरी मच. ओके, ऑलराइट. तो अगर हम गर्ल्स से बात ना करें तो ये अन्याय हो जाएगा. राइट, ओके. सो नाउ एनीवन एल्स हु वांट्स टू टॉक हियर समथिंग, हु वांट टू शो द एनर्जी, 1 line 2 lines, anything? Yeah, you are always here. ये बता बिन बुलाए मेहमान नीचे बोला भैया. Can I? का बोला बने जोर से बोला. Yeah, I'm just.
I don't have many words for him. I can say just he is a rock of Assam, and I don't have I don't have words.
कायला है हम बोल फिर अपनी बेइज्जती करा ले I don't have words. What is that? एक दिन तो शब्द लेके आओ. I don't have words to talk. You are rock of Assam. भाई जिंदा इंसान है, पत्थर बना दिया इसको. रॉक स्टार बोलो. ओके फिर से बोलो. You are rock star of Assam English. आज एनर्जी बात करने का.
Brother, you are rock star of Assam English.
Okay. That's good?
Yes.
Brother, you're the rock star of Assam English, okay? From today, wear this tag with the pride, okay, in the neck. I'm the rock star of Assam English. Everywhere go and wear it. Done? Do you want to do that?
Yes.
Anything else? Want to say? कुछ और कहना है क्या?
Yes.
No. Go and sit. Time over. Clap for me and clap for me.